Hello friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and today I'm excited to be in a Crafty Fun Collaboration Hop where we are sharing anything but a card. Excuse me. In the description box below are all the links to the people who are participating, and I really hope that you'll hop around and see what they made. I know that they would love it. I can't wait to see what everyone made. And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and click that thumbs up and the bell for notifications. All right, so on to what I used to make my anything but a card project, which I have to say I absolutely love how it turned out. So I started with this Trinity Stamps treat box die to make a little treat box. But they just released this shaker box add-on. So you've heard of shaker cards. Well, this is a shaker box. When I saw this, I just had to have it. I thought it was so unique and so fun. I will link below the 2 videos that I watched to learn how to put this together, which also inspired me to buy it or whatever. It went together really easy. There were a couple things that I need to tweak a little bit the next time, but their directions are amazing. So I did use those. And then I used this Mermazing stamp set from Trinity Stamps. So fun and cute. I used the Sand, Surf, and Sky paper pad from My Favorite Things. And then I used this embellishments from Trinity Stamps. I tried to find this on their website and I couldn't, which I'm sad because I love it. I believe I got it free with my order. And then I used the silver hologram. This calls for confetti. So those were what I used. Everything is linked in the description box below that I could find. And here is my cute project. A little shaker box. And yes, I have been sitting around and shaking it. I do like that even though it has that shaker element, there's still plenty of room in there. I believe Carrie, when she first showed this, Carrie Rhodes, you said, you know, like you could put some gift cards and then kind of fill it up with some other stuff, or you could just fill it with treats, whatever you wanted to do. Again, it went together really easy. I like that you can see it even on the sides. You can see into the shaker box. And yeah, you just shake. I colored that mermaid up and these fish, and I did add some stickles to them so they kind of shine. I did add these fish to hide a little boo-boo. One of the shaker bits got stuck there in the adhesive, so I just added that to cover it up. Since this was my first time doing it, I didn't really decorate the box itself, but the next time I do it, I know that I will add some more decorations to it. I really liked how Carrie Rhodes did some stenciling on the box. I thought that would be fun. So, but yeah, there's my shaker box, and it just says "You are mermazing." And then I did stamp some fish in there. And yeah, I just want to shake it, and I see all the glitter and shine, and it just makes me so happy. And again, it was really easy. I'm really glad it is one of the dies that I am really super pleased with to get. Sometimes you get a die, or I have gotten a die, and you struggle to put it together. This was not the case with this. All right, so there's my shaker box, my anything but a card. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, in the description box below are the links to everyone in the hop. I hope you will hop around and see what everyone else created. And until my next video, have an amazing day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.